Good morning, students. Welcome to chemistry class. This is Vivian Raju presenting the today's lesson. Today's topic is the discussion of worksheet 8 in the periodic table. Let us go to the worksheet. The first few questions are multiple choice questions with single correct option. The first question is, an atom of element has 2k, 8l and 3m electrons. Then that element is placed in dash group. There are 2 electrons in the K shell, 8 electrons in the L shell and 3 electrons in the M shell. K, L, M. 2, 8, 3. That means there are 13 electrons. So electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. It is a p block element. As this is a p block element, the group number is 10 plus number of electrons in the valence shell, that is 10 plus 3, that is 13th group or third year group. Either 13th group or third year group. So third option is the right option. The second question is stable electronic configuration of transition metal. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d9. This electronic configuration is not very much stable. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5 is stable. The reason is the degenerate orbitals are half filled with electrons. Each d orbital is filled with 1 electron. So the elements which have the half filled or completely filled degenerate orbitals are more stable than the incompletely filled degenerate orbitals. So the element with electronic configuration in the second option is more stable than the element with electronic configuration in the first option. Both are the d block elements, as the differentiating electron is in the d orbital. Let us see the third option. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. This is not a transition element. And fourth one, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6. This is inert gas. This is also not a transition element. So the first two are the electronic configurations of transition elements. In this, the second electronic configuration gives more stability to the atom. So second option is the right option. Next, third question. In which of the following elements both ultimate and penultimate shells are incompletely filled? Ultimate means outer shell, that is valence shell. The outer shell and penultimate shell, that is nth shell and n-1th shell, are incompletely filled in which elements? Transition elements. Nickel, cadmium, mercury, zinc. You know the zinc group elements, zinc, cadmium and mercury belong to 12th group. In this group, d orbitals are completely filled. It has n-1 d10 configuration. So incompletely filled orbitals is possessed by only nickel. So nickel is the correct option here. Though all the elements are the d block elements or transition elements, nickel is the only element which has the incompletely filled penultimate shell. In the other three elements, cadmium, mercury and zinc, the penultimate shell is completely filled, though they are the transition elements. Next question is, fourth question. The electronic configuration of X is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. That is, atomic number is 7. The element is nitrogen. The formula of the molecule formed by the atoms of X only is N2, that is X2. So second option is the right option. The fifth question, the reported element Aca-mercury with atomic number 112 belongs to the group Aca-mercury, that is the element which is after mercury in the same group of mercury. So that element is possessing atomic number 112. So what is the group in which that element belongs? You know that mercury belongs to 12th group. We just discussed that zinc, cadmium and mercury belong to 12th group. So the newly discovered element Aca-mercury also belongs to 12th group, that is the second B group. So first option is the right option. Next, sixth question. The starting and ending elements of actinides are respectively dash. You know that actinides start from thorium to thorium and ends with lawrencium. Thorium to lawrencium. That is second option is the right option. That is the elements with atomic number 90 to 103. So second option is the right option here. Next, seventh question. If the quantum numbers of the highest energy electron in an atom are n is equal to 4, L is equal to 3, M is equal to plus 3 and S is equal to plus half, then the element belongs to dash. Highest energy electron means the differentiating electron, that is the last electron. That for the differentiating electron, n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. L is equal to 3. L is equal to 3 represents F orbital. So this element belongs to F block. So third option is the right option. Next, eighth question. The starting element in the incomplete period of long form of the periodic table is, let us replace this incomplete period with the seventh period. The starting element in the seventh period of long form of the periodic table is francium, hydrogen, first period, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium in the sixth period and francium in the seventh period. So francium is the right option here. Third option is right. Next, ninth question. The element with Z is equal to 106 belongs to, you know that the actinides, that is with atomic number 90 to 103 belong to 7th period. The 7th period is not completed with the actinides. The next few elements discovered till 118 atomic number also belong to the same period. So the element with Z is equal to 106 belongs to 7th period in the periodic table. So third option is the right option. 10th question. If the 7th period is completed, the atomic number of the last element would be already completed. In the 7th period, let us change this question. In the 7th period, the atomic number of the last element is 118. First option is the right option. 11th question. From the elements of the following atomic numbers 9, 12, 16, 20, 39, 47 and 56, a set representing a group of elements is dash. A set representing the group of elements. Let us take the first option. If the atomic number of first element is 9, the atomic number of its next element will be 9 plus 8, that is equal to 17. But here 16 is given, so first option is not right. Let us go to the second option. If the atomic number of first element is 12, the atomic number of next element is 12 plus 8, that is equal to 20. This is right. If the atomic number of second element is 20, the atomic number of third element will be 20 plus 18, that should be 38. But here 47 is given, so this is also not right. Let us go to the third option. If the atomic number of first element is 20, the atomic number of next element is 20 plus 18, that is 38. So here 39 is given. So third option is also not right. Let us go to the fourth option. The first element has atomic number 12. The atomic number of next element will be 12 plus 8, that is 20. For the next element, the atomic number will be 20 plus 18, that is 38. For the next element, atomic number will be 38 plus 18, that will be 56. All the three, 12, 20 and 56 are present here. So fourth option is the correct option. These are the answers of the questions given in this worksheet. Thank you.